Today we take one of the biggest songs in the world, Viva La Vida by Coldplay, and we turn it into a majestic EDM track. Let's go. For the first step we take a preset and we create a chord progression that fits to the vocal bass notes first. Now put chords on top. Let's layer it. Step 2. We need organic instruments like pianos to give our tracks more depth. I put the soft piano from Labs on top. Step 3. Pluck melody. Step 4. We need bass. Step 5. We need strings to give it the Martin Garrix vibe. Step 6. Guitars for a more organic and realistic feel. Step 7. We need a nice piano melody. Step 8. Ambience to fill up the song. Step 9. Drums to give our song rhythm. I take out the highs to make it more soft. And a drum fill also. Step 10. Lead melody, and here I show you everything in full detail, the process how I select and layer the right sounds, and also how to mix it. I first search for the main lead preset that should fit the vibe. Now I write a melody on top of the chord stack. Yes. Now we need to layer it with more presets. Let's mix them. EQ to clean them up. Transpire for more attack. Reverb for more atmosphere. And sidechain to make space for the kick. Step 11. Drop chords. I take Martin Garrix style chords, of course. I layer them with softer chords. Listen together with the melody. Sounds perfect. Step 13. Drop bass. We need a sub bass and a mid bass stack. That's the first mid bass. This is the sub bass. And I layer it with a few more mid basses. Mix it. Distortion. That's it. Step 14. Drums and FX. Kick. Rides for energy. Downlifters. Ambience. Drum fills. And guys, because I love you so much, I give you this entire FLP with all the used samples and presets for free to download. By the way, my Black Friday and Cyber Monday 50% off sale is still open till next Friday, so make sure you don't miss that out and buy my EDM Essentials bundle and my Golden EDM Era bundle. All presets used for this track are from this pack, both together coming with over 4,000 samples and over 3,000 presets. This is really the time of the year to save money, so don't miss out guys. And another thing is, my buddy Severaman and me are working on a huge melody pack where you get melodies like this, and it's 100% royalty free. We will release it around Christmas. If you want to have it, make sure to hop on that early access list so you will get a discount when it drops. And now, let's listen to the final result.
I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never an honest word, and that was when I ruled the world.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.